Introducing the 450W Mini Electric Cooking Pot, the ultimate multifunctional kitchen companion designed to make cooking quick, easy, and convenient. Whether you're craving a warm bowl of rice, instant noodles, porridge, or even an omelette, this compact pot is up to the task. With its versatile design, you can use it as a hot pot, frying pan, or even a rice cooker, all in one appliance. The 450W power ensures efficient cooking while saving time, making it perfect for small households, dorm rooms, or anyone looking for a simple, space-saving solution for quick meals. Say goodbye to bulky cookware and hello to effortless cooking with this all-in-one quick food pot. The 450W Mini Electric Cooking Pot is a versatile and compact kitchen essential that takes the hassle out of meal prep. This multifunctional pot combines the capabilities of a rice cooker, hot pot, frying pan, and more, all in one convenient appliance. Whether you're preparing a quick bowl of rice, cooking up a hot pot for lunch, simmering porridge, or frying up an omelette, this cooking pot is up to the task. Its 450W power provides efficient cooking, ensuring that your meals are ready in no time. The non-stick interior makes it easy to clean, while its lightweight design allows for easy portability, perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even travel. With a simple, user-friendly interface, cooking has never been more convenient or fun. From quick meals to snacks, the 450W Mini Electric Cooking Pot is perfect for those looking to save space while still enjoying a variety of homemade dishes. Whether you're cooking for yourself or preparing small portions for friends, this multi-use cooking pot will become your go-to kitchen tool for everyday meals.